Hi everyone, it's Valerie Sims here with Profit with PDFs, and I'm going to show you guys today my favorite site for compressing my PDFs. I create quite a lot of them, and especially if you have an Etsy shop. Etsy only allows you to upload a document that's 20 megabytes. So if your file is larger than that, you will need a compression service. So this is a lead magnet I created in Canva. It's 19 pages long. And it's all about, what makes a great lead magnet, all the qualities you need, different ideas of what to create. And it's free. You can go to my site, profitwithpdfs.com, and you can download a copy if you like. But I'm on Canva right now, and I am going to download this and create a PDF. So I would click that and come down here on the PDF print. Click on that and see it has all 19 pages. And I'm going to download that. This only appears because I've done this a few times today. But this is very handy. Now, I tend to airdrop all my PDFs to my iPad, and I use a note-taking app like GoodNotes or Notability to be able to write in all my PDFs. I like using a stylus pen, which is so much fun. So if you haven't tried that before, you should give it a try. You can get those apps from the App Store for less than $10. Okay, there's my PDF. I'm going to bring this over to the side, and I'm going to show you the site I use all the time, almost every day. It's called ilovepdf.com. And you see all the different things you can do with your PDF. Head over to Compress PDF. Now I'm going to just drop my file over here, and it's going to do all the work for me. Now I just use recommended compression. If my document was like 200 pages, then I would move up here and try the extreme compression. But it's not. It's only 19 pages, so this is going to be fine for me. So do you see how easy this is? I've bookmarked I Love PDF on my computer, so I use it all the time. It's going to download it for me. You see how much smaller the file is now? 96% smaller, which is so helpful. And there you have it. You can't tell that the quality has changed at all. Do you see that? The only way I would know that this file was compressed is because I see it here in the URL. But of course, when I upload this to Etsy or to my website, I'm going to change this. And it won't have the word compressed in it, but I'll know that the file is much smaller. So there you go. It's as easy as that, guys. If you have any questions or anything about creating lead magnets or about PDFs, you can get a hold of me at profitwithpdfs.com, and I have a lot of free resources there that can help you out. So hope you have a lovely day, and we'll chat later. All the best for now. Bye.